In chapter number 8, how do organisms reproduce? Let's go through another question. It is called maturation. Explain maturation, or you called it, write about the information of maturation. See, you can draw the diagram. Diagram cannot given in the textbook, but you can draw the diagram because the answer gives us for the understanding. You have to draw the already diagram of female reproductive system. So when the internal wall of uterus can broken down, it is called maturation. Breakdown of wall in inner wall of the uterus, so it can takes place. Slide understanding. So you can draw the diagram, and when we draw the diagram of comparative diagram, you can draw both the diagram with in the same situation, not first here and then second here on the page. Let's explain. This is the simple way draw the female reproductive system. Blood capillaries having thick wall. When we already understood that when fertilization can takes place, the inner wall of the uterus can thick and reach with the blood for the nourishing of developing embryo naturally. So the blood capillaries having thick wall, this diagram shows that, and this shows that breakdown of wall. When breakdown of inner wall of the uterus, maturation can be takes place in woman. Maturation is a periodic event in the woman. It can take place about every 28 to 30 days. So every month it will be occur. This process will be occur. So it is called maturation. Mature woman maturation can be takes place. It will be a cyclic process which can be happening every month. During pregnancy, maturation can be stopped. You already understood, because why during pregnancy maturation cannot work? Because during pregnancy embryo can takes place nourishing amount by the help of mother blood. So when the maturation can be takes place, the development of embryo takes place is not possible. So the nourishing is important during the development of embryos. So during pregnancy, maturation cannot take place. In the maturation, bleeding can occur through the vaginal passage. During maturation, the cell debris and unfertilized ovum can be thrown out by the urinary passage. We already know one pair of ovaries, so two ovaries can lay one egg for every month. But when egg cannot be fertilized, when fertilization can take place, the development of embryo can take place, and after childbirth can be happen. But when egg cannot be fertilized, the egg lies, not fertilized egg lies for 1 day. Ovary can produce one egg and fertilization can be occur. But when fertilization cannot occur, the uterine wall cannot develop after longer time, and so it will be breaks and come out through the vaginal opening as blood and mucus. So the secretion of blood and mucus through vaginal opening in woman, it is called menstruation. Menstruation can take place about 2 to 8 days in woman. Developing hormones can be important. Estrogen and progesterone can play important role for the progesterone especially can play important role for in the case of menstruation. So the amount of hormone can be occur in every woman, it is varies, not in all women it will be same. So the time of the menstruation can be varies in every woman, and it will be so 2 to 8 days. During puberty, the menstruation can takes place. In the age of puberty in woman is 10 to 12 year, and the male is 13 to 14. So in case of puberty, when the first time of maturation can be seen, it will be called menarche. And at the age of 45 to 50 in woman, the menstruation cycle will be first irregular and then it will be totally stopped. So it is called the menopause. So two words can important. Menarche, in first time the maturation can be seen, maturation cycle can be seen, or menstruation period will be seen, it is called menarche. And after the age of 14 to 15 in woman, the menstruation cycle will be irregular and then it will be stops, it will be called menopause. So difference between menarche and menopause, first time and it is in stop. So menstruation can be important, the question is important, it will be asked in the board exam. So you can draw first the diagram and then explanation. I will explain again totally word wise, and full the I can explain fully sentences, you can concentrate it. Menstruation is the periodic event takes place after every 28 days in mature woman. When puberty can be start, the menstruation can take place. This is a cyclic process interrupted only by pregnancy. We already studied about the reason why it is stopped, because the embryo can totally nourishment by the mother's blood. So the cyclic process, this will be stopped during the pregnancy. During menstruation, there is bleeding through vaginal opening. In the case of bleeding, the cell debris means unwanted cell, the destroyed cell, and unfertilized ovum is given out of the body during menstruation. If the egg is not fertilized, when fertilization can occur, it will be give to the childbirth, but the egg is not fertilized, it lives for about 1 day. Since the ovary releases one egg every month, the uterus also prepares itself every month to receive a fertilized egg. Uterine lining becomes thick, spongy and richly supplied with blood naturally because when fertilization can occur, it will be prepares itself. But if fertilization does not occur, then this lining is not needed any longer. So the lining slowly breaks and comes out through the vaginal opening as blood and mucus. This cycle takes place roughly every month and is called menstruation. In women, it will be last for about 2 to 8 days. The sexual cycle or menstrual cycle in females start at the age of puberty. When the first menstruation cycle that occurs at the puberty, it is called menarche. When a woman reaches the age of 45 to 50 years, the menstrual cycle becomes irregular and it stops completely. This is called menopause. Two words can be occur, menarche and menopause. Menopause we call it. So the information given us by the menstruation, it will be also given in the textbook. Same thing is here. What is important? So you can get full marks. If the egg is not fertilized, it lives for let's see it quickly. It lives for about 1 day since the ovary releases one egg every month. The uterus also prepares itself every month to receive a fertilized egg. Thus, its lining becomes thick and spongy to receive fertilized eggs. This would be required for nourishing the embryo if fertilization had takes place. Now, however, this lining is not needed any longer because fertilized egg cannot be received by uterus. So the lining slowly breaks and come out through the vagina as blood and mucus. This cycle takes place roughly every month and is known as menstruation. It usually lasts for about 2 to 8 days. Here we cover questions: male reproductive system, female reproductive system, and then we cover with the development of process of developing embryo until childbirth. Then we complete what happens when the egg is not fertilized. When egg fertilized can be takes place, development of fetus can be takes place and the childbirth can occur. But when egg cannot be fertilized, it will be seen in the case of menstrual cycle in female. All questions in sexual reproduction, male reproductive system, female, the process of development of embryo and implantation of embryo until childbirth, and what happen when the egg is not fertilized are important for the board exam. Let's revise meaning of some words related to questions. Male reproductive system, female reproductive system, menstruation cycle, implantation. In female reproductive system, it consists implantation and childbirth. Let's understood about some words. Let's clear it for the information. Testes secrete one type of hormone. It will be called testosterone in male. Ovary secrete one type of hormone. Two type of hormones in female. In male it will be one. testosterone. In female it will be two types, estrogen and progesterone. Between the wall of uterus and uterine wall, there will be a disc-like structure can be seen, and it is called placenta. Disc-like special tissue develops between embryo and uterus wall. In uterus, embryo can be developed, and embryo and uterus wall, in between disc-like structure can be seen with the made by special type of tissue. It is called placenta. Through placenta, embryo can transfer every substances, glucose, oxygen, excretory substances through the blood of mothers. Cervix, mouth of the uterus. Through the cervix, uterus can open into the vagina. Prostate gland in male reproductive system. Secretory gland in the passage of sperms. It can secrete fluid through to the sperm for the passage of sperms. Oviduct, fertilization can take place at the initial part of the oviduct. Life of unfertilized egg. When fertilization cannot take place, egg can be lie for the 1 day. So life of unfertilized egg is about 1 day. Puberty period in girls 10 to 12 days. What happen in boys? In boys it will be 10 to 12 years. Puberty period in girls. What about in boys? Puberty period in boys it will be 13 to 14 years. Menstruation in female 2 to 8 days can take place. Development of embryo in uterus of female. Development of embryo in uterus of female takes place at least 9 months to 80 days. 280 days can takes place. So some words can important during the writing of the answer of male reproductive system, female reproductive system, implantation till childbirth, and menstruation cycle. All questions are important for the board exam.